Hello guys. Birthday ni Sia. Oh, packing. Happy birthday. Oh, panis ka. Nauna kami sa'yo.
Enter ha, tignan ko na ate. Ang bilis eh.
Ang bilis, hindi kaya ni tatay. It's too fast! Ayan na! Ay. Ang bilis, oh! Yay!
Konting tapak na ng gasolina. Ang bilis eh.
Oh. Wow!
Happy birthday, baby! Huwag na ikaw mag-isa. Mamaya bibili ni nanay yung gusto mo. Ha? Gusto mo ilabas ko yan?
5 to 10 years old.
Ah, pipicture ni nanay.
Nanay.
Picturean, wait lang.
Nanay. Nanay. Look at this. Flower moon.
Oh, tara, dali.
Wow, it's long.
Drawing.
Dali, picturean kita na.
Drawing lang yan.
Oh.
Drawing lang yan. tingnan.
Game.
Drawing lang.
1, 2, 3, smile. Okay.
African grey parrot. Philippine eagle owl.
Saan?
I think that's or blue.
Laki na
Andito na pala si Gemma. Andito na pala si Gemma.
Ba't nakandila?
Sama ng tingin.
Don't eat them, Mom. I see some. I want to feed it.
Ayun o, ayun o, ayun o.
O, dali, pakainin mo tinak. Ito na ko yung black. Ten. Itong black, ayun o.
Ito.
Si Luther. Galing ah.
Picture kita ka.
Kamukha mo din.
Hi!
Ayaw niya. Oh. Now I'm scared.
Pakain na natin.
Ito daw. Ayun pa isa.
Saan?
He looks big.
Ang laki niya. Ala, parang nadadaganan niya yung turtle. No? Nasa ilalim yung turtle eh. O pagkain niya yan. Hindi pwedeng batayin.
What lion?
Ito na kung. Ito.
Lion.
Lion.
Ay!
Pero, lion. Tawagin mo dali.
Lion! Lion!
Huwag ka bumaba. Isang ikot pa yan.
One more circle.
Folks, as far as we know, they don't do laundry. Well done, Bernie. And now I would like to ask everyone to raise up your hand just like this. Come on. Come on, come on. Everyone, raise up your hand. And now, Bernie, can you wave bye to everyone? Wave bye. One more, Bernie. One more. Wave bye. There you go. So, let's give a round of applause for Bernie. Tiny. Bigyan po natin ng wave dyan si Tiny. Tiny from the back. Tiny. Pound per pound. One of Dominia's animal caught in the pet trade and it requires a regular contact to keep them tame. The second of the largest snake in the world that could reach up to 13 to 30 feet in length and could weigh up to 200 to 300 pounds. Hi ma'am, kamusta po? That pythons have a very poor eyesight. Now, how they can see their prey? Underneath their jaws, they have small hole or pits which serves as infrared scanners. And their fork, like a tongue, is a combination of eyesight, hearing, and taste. Now let's give a round of applause for Tiny, the albino Burmese python, and of course, to our brave volunteers. And guys, for being so brave, you have a sanitizer courtesy of me. Thank you,